Hi.
Hello.
Hey. We're always so shocked we're alive. Tonight we're back. It's Tuesday night, 7 o'clock Eastern time, and we're Outer Banks Olive Oil. We are here. I'm Laura. This is Phil. He's does all the technology. Yeah, he does all the technology for me. So if things are not working, we know who to blame. So tonight we are going to be making a really just like fun little snack. You could also have it as like a side dish.
Yep.
Parmesan zucchini fries. So very, very, very simple. And I'm going to have Phil do all my work. So
as usual, right? That's the way it works around here. So we're going to take a zucchini, start cutting it up a little bit here.
So zucchini, there's plenty of it, probably in the grocery store right now. So if you plant a vegetable garden, this can be like a snack. You could also make zucchini chips in this same kind of way.
Right.
So we're just going to cut them into like little small strips so that they just look like French fries.
Right. So go thirds and then just break it down a little bit. So we're just trying to break them into little French fries, however you want to do it without cutting yourself.
And tonight we're featuring our Tuscan herb extra virgin olive oil, which is our #1 selling oil. So I know we probably use it a lot. Like I think it just stays on the counter back there of our vast array of our favorite oils and vinegars. So this one you can use on so many different things. I know my daughter just loves to put it in just a dish and dip bread in. She'll put some balsamic vinegar in with it and she just dips her bread right in. You can make a really tasty salad dressing by mixing it with one of your favorite vinegars, like the Sicilian lemon is a good mixture with this one, or even the traditional, our 18-year balsamic, and make a nice marinade too if you want to do some seafood, or maybe you want to do chicken or something like that. So you just mix it the same. I do half and half with the oil and the vinegar. So we're just cutting up, making like little, basically, you can kind of see, just little, basically, fries. Yeah. That's what we're making. And then we're going to, once we get all those, we're just going to use, we're going to actually use the Tuscan herb and just pour it all over the fries and mix it together. So our recipe is posted on our website. So that's outerbanksolive.com. If you want to check it out, you just go to the live video section there. And if you are joining us tonight, give us a little shout out, say hi, let us know that you're watching so that we're not lonely and just doing these events all by ourselves. We were just actually talking about how just about a year ago
it's like exactly a year.
Exactly a year.
Tomorrow.
With COVID shut down on the 17th, St. Patty's Day.
Yeah.
In the Outer Banks, the bridge shut down, and we were closed in our Nags Head location, and then a few days later in Duck, and that we kind of went into survival mode of our business and started doing our virtual tastings, our cooking segments and things like that, just trying to reach out to our customers since they couldn't get to us.
It was the silver lining, right?
Yeah, I think it gave us something new and a new way to kind of reach out. So hopefully you're watching. If you are, please say hi. Let us know that we're not alone in making these videos for ourselves. Let us know if Tuscan herb is your favorite. If you like to use something different, because on this dish you could use many different options. So like I said, we've got it all cut up now. So the recipe calls for 4 zucchinis and 5 tablespoons of Tuscan. So we're just gonna,
as much fun as it is to watch me cut up zucchinis, we're just gonna do 1.
Yeah, we're doing and we're gonna soak it. We've got our pan. And our oven is on 350.
Right.
So
we can do that for 15 minutes on that, and then what do we got next?
So Tuscan herb. So and many different options for that. Tuscan herb.
Yeah, you could even spice it up too if you wanted to. So I would do some bakluti in there because you guys know I love bakluti, but you could go some of that North African spices. If you want to go with the harissa, and get a little spicy.
Or chipotle.
Yep.
Chipotle would make it spicy too. We've got lots of different spicy options. And Milanese gremolata would be another one. You could just take it a whole different way. Lemon could be fun. So just whatever your favorite is. So with the recipe, we've got our little Parmesan mixture we're gonna do. So I've got my Parmesan cheese. So we're just gonna mix up a little blend to go on top of our zucchini fries. Now this doesn't have any breading or any egg or anything like that. We're gonna use oil instead.
Yep.
I guess if you wanted to, you could add panko or something like that. But whoops. So we're gonna add some garlic powder, about a 1/4 teaspoon of each one of these spices. So we've got that. We've got oregano. What else?
Get these nice and flat.
Thyme and basil. So we're doing a 1/4 teaspoon of each one.
Nice work. We're doing more measurements, or are we doing like?
I did actually measure this.
Wow.
I know it's impressive. It's impressive.
Yeah. What happens when she cooks without a wine glass in her hand?
I know. I was like wined out today. We had that big tasting today. So I had. So some salt and pepper to taste.
Yep. Get that mixed in there real good.
All right, and I'll let you be the blender there. So,
depends on if your guests are watching or not, just use your hands. It's fine. We're all washing our hands every like 3.5 minutes. So.
every 5 seconds.
Yeah. There you go, you're gonna get it all over there.
So add that cheese mixture that has garlic powder, basil, thyme, oregano. And obviously, like we talked about, the Tuscan herb olive oil. So if you don't want any of the extra flavor, you could just use a plain extra virgin olive oil too. That's just gonna like get everything to kind of stick together. And then if you want to add some extra cheese.
You can never go wrong with more cheese, right?
More cheese?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna throw that in the oven for
15 minutes.
15 minutes at 350. And in the miraculous way of our special timing for TV video camera, where it's going to be sort of done.
The magic. That.
So then we're going to put that on broil for just another couple of minutes.
That's what it looks like 15 minutes
So
later.
cheese is all gooey, it's all melted, so now we're just going to
Gooey.
brown it up, throw it in the oven on broil for like just like 2, maybe 3 minutes.
There we go. Pop that in there.
Are you going to keep the timer? You're going to tell Alexa.
Maybe. We'll get a timer. You don't trust me, do you?
All right, so we just want it to get to be a little bit like crispy and golden. So just kind of fill it in from there.
So we're just gonna crisp it up a little bit. So yeah, if you threw some panko on there or anything like that, you could throw that on there too as well, and that would get it a little crisped up.
Yeah. Do we have, let's see, is anyone saying hi? Oh, we do have some people like, hello. So we are excited that you guys are joining us for our cooking segment tonight. And if there's recipes that you want to see, let us know that.
Absolutely.
You can always email us to info@outerbanksolive.com.
Yep.
And, you know, if you have any questions or suggestions too, that's a great way to reach us. Our website has recipes on there as well as all the featured ones that we've been doing on these different videos too.
Yeah.
So you can find those all on our website.
Absolutely. So a couple other things that I would add to this, because again, we're doing a no meat one. You would bacon bits. Right?
I think we have dessert next week.
That's an obvious
So,
one to throw on
we have
there.
dessert
Throw
next
some
week,
bacon on
so
there. But, yeah.
you could do bacon.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you wanted, if you were gonna absolutely. So are we done?
That was 1 minute. So,
1 minute?
Yeah, we can throw 1 more minute on
So
there.
we should check it just to make sure.
You
So,
don't trust my
yeah.
timer? Ooh, that's looking good.
Oh yeah, it does look really good. It's almost there. I wouldn't do too much more.
Yeah.
And then we'll pull it out, we'll plate it so you guys can check out and see what this looks like. So again, you can do this as just like a snack. You can do it as a side dish. So it's a great side to throw in if you're doing, you know, burgers or something like that and you don't want to do French fries. So you get the Parmesan fries. And again, you could do like Parmesan zucchini crisps. And you could take this same kind of mixture and do it on a variety of other types of, you could do it on broccoli, maybe kale. Like you could do it on a bunch of different other kind of veggies.
And then if you wanted them a little crisper, instead of chopping them the way we did into fries, just do it with a little scaler, and you can get the little
okay, the
thin
scaler.
crisp bump. That's what it's called, right? The skinner.
That was funny.
Anyway. There we go. Ooh, look at that.
There we go. So here we go. Nice and that.
Get you a good look at that.
Yummy. And it smells like really good. So I'm going to set it right down. And then, so I'm just going to plate some here. This looks really, really good. And then we're just going to top it with some Parmesan. I didn't get any fresh Parmesan because I forgot. So, really, if you want to be honest, I forgot. So, I mean, not Parmesan, parsley. I mean, if you want to put more Parmesan on it, you could. Parsley is what I meant. Just gonna sprinkle some parsley on there.
Perfect.
Minced fresh parsley. But,
lovely.
alrighty, so here we go.
Cool.
Our fries. Look, it almost look like little cheesy fries.
I know.
So bacon, you could, if you need to.
Bacon's the way to go.
So thanks guys for joining us tonight. So we hope to see you next week. Please drop us a note. Let us know if you're enjoying the videos, and we'd love to hear from you. So
Absolutely.
have a good night.
All right. Cheers.